Preparing to live stream the
You're live.
We are.
Yeah.
The webinar is now live streaming. Oh, it didn't tell me that. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
You're live.
Well,
We are.
It didn't tell me that I was live.
The
webinar is now live streaming. Oh, it didn't tell me that. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Mom, close your Facebook page.
Well,
We are.
It didn't tell. Okay, there's that. Okay. I didn't have it in my notes to X out my sound yet. Okay, hi, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to the high-tech team. Oh my gosh.
I love it.
We're glad it's sunny in Kansas City and in St. Louis, where the three of us are. And I want to introduce you to two of my team members, Karen Sullivan.
Hi.
And Rebecca Wills. And today we're going to share with you a few good ideas of how we make our homes the safest places on earth, and how you can too with our Get Clean dramatic demos today. So commercial cleaners can leave toxins in their waste, and you know what that does? That makes our homes toxic wastelands, which is not a good thing. Who wants to live in a toxic wasteland? Not me. Indoor air pollution can cause respiratory irritation, bronchitis, emphysema, eye, nose, and throat irritation, respiratory infections in children, headaches, nausea, and even it actually helps to contribute to learning disabilities, which is really, really, really terrible when we know about learning disabilities. There are several steps that you can take to help clean up the air in your home, and each of us has already recorded short videos with those tips, and we'll make them accessible to you on the underneath this video later. Today, we want to show you how our economical Get Clean cleaners that are guaranteed to be safe for you and your family actually work. They're non-toxic. They don't contain any phosphates to destroy the earth, which means, and they're 100% biodegradable. And our demos today are going to show you just a few instances of how they work and that they do work. Karen, take it away.
Thank you. Well, you know, Cheryl was talking about the toxins, and I'm sort of a toxin crazed woman here because I just can't stand them. And did you know that in the environment now, and in the products that are being sold commercially, there are 17,000 different chemicals that are presently being used in this country, in the United States. Many of these are known to be carcinogenic, and they are outlawed in Europe, which really is scary. So, you know, hey, and now there are 1,500 new synthetic chemicals that are introduced every year. So they're making more poison. So I just had to add that. But I wanted to tell you today, I am going to do demonstration on the basic H squared, which is H is for household. This is the household cleaner. I use it for everything. And what I have are the 3 bottles that are fantastic. If you get, when you get the kit to get started, it will have these, and see there are 3 different colors. The green is the all-purpose cleaner, and it tells you what dilutions you should use. I mean, how much you should put in the 16 ounce. And then this is for windows, it's blue. And then this yellow is the one I'm going to be demonstrating today, which is a degreaser, and it's a little bit stronger concentration. How much do you imagine? A half a cup? No, it's 1.5 teaspoons in 16 ounces. So it's just phenomenal. So I did something this morning. I did something the last couple of days. I have not cleaned my stove so that it would be dirty for today. Okay. So I'm going to shift you over so you can see my dirty stove. Consider yourself very fortunate because I'm kind of like showing my dirt, right? So let's see. We're going to go over and come down. Can you see it, guys? So you see the grease? Ew.
Disgusting.
So we're going to take, I got a paper towel. I'm going to spray Okay. And that's probably more than I need, but as I said, you know, I kind of have this problem. No, there are some areas. Oh, good. Okay, so I get here. Here's where some on the top. Can you see that? There's grease on there. Cooking grease, just cooking. It's actually coconut oil. Okay, so we've got it clean. Now, one of the things that this will bridge into the other product I'm doing, so which is the At Ease, well, it used to be called At Ease. It's now called Scour Off. See that? Look inside this. This is, I need to get a new one. There you go. It's a paste. Notice I don't have any gloves on my hands, and I can reach in with my finger and just get what I need. Now I'm going to put it here. I have a glass top range, as you see. Add a little bit of water. This is just water. Okay. Add that little bit of water, and then go ahead and scour off the little things. You know how when grease will come out of your, you know, pop on and you make eggs, and maybe it does. So see, it takes it all out completely. Okay. So that is the basic H squared with that concentration. Let me pull this up, pull you over so you can see my face. There I am. And so that's using primarily the basic H squared in the dilution for degreasing. It's incredible. I use it on my glasses because you know how your glasses get funky? I use it on my glasses. Now the Scour Off you can use on everything. Now, not shiny surfaces. You can't use it on your silver, but you can put it on your copper pots. You can put it on the silver of your copper pots. And in one demonstration, I did a copper pot the day that this came in. The day this came in, I did all of my showers and the tile walls because I hadn't had it. It had been on back order. And I did my pots too, and I demonstrated that. But today, I'm not going to take the time to do that. I'm going to do a penny. See that penny? And it's dirty. So I'm going to get some on my finger. See? Not much. Put it on the penny and then just rub it. Okay? Just rub it. Now I'm going to spray water on it, but not over my keyboard. That would not be good. And so then I just continue doing working it in. Oh, I'll hold it up more so you can see. I'm just rubbing it between my fingers. And I've not added more to it, but I am going to spray a whole lot of, I can hold it back here. I'm going to spray a whole lot of water on it as long as it's not near my computer. Okay. And what you can see is the high points of the penny. See, Lincoln and the outer edge are really, really clean. Now, if I were to stay with it for a while, I could get the stuff down inside, but really, you know, you do see that it changes and it is different. It's great stuff. Now, I want you to remember something. Remember this product. Listen very carefully because Rebecca, at the end of this cast, is going to talk about this and tell you something very exciting. Okay, who's next?
Thanks, Karen. I'm next. And just to share a little bit here, I'm talking about the laundry products today, Laundry Fresh, which is just awesome because first I'll tell you a little bit. So here's a 14-pound box of the laundry concentrate. This actually makes 224 loads, but in all honesty, for me, it makes about 350 because it does such a good job that I don't have to use the little tiny scoop. I can use half the scoop or a little less. Anyway, you will not find a more earth-friendly, powerful laundry concentrate on the market, and is a terrific spot remover, which kind of makes it two cleaners in one. It comes in light fragrance with fragrance-free version. It's for high HE washing machines and standard. It's hypoallergenic, non-chlorinated, and contains natural corn and coconut-based ingredients, and an enzyme booster to help fight tough stains. I just love it. But the cool thing is that Sterling, I think, was the company that is a third-party company that did some tests on this. And it's proven to be 26% better at soil remover than Method 8X laundry detergent and 240% better than Whole Foods organic laundry detergent 3X. When it's used as a stain remover, listen to this, everybody who's in love with OxiClean, it's 40% more effective than OxiClean laundry stain remover. And guess what? it's not toxic like OxiClean is. I shouldn't say that, but I mean, it is anyway. So, and before I do my demonstration, I also want to tell you about the Nature Bright Laundry Booster, which is right here. It brightens and whites and colors and helps take out, again, more tough stains. One scoop, little tiny scoop, just boosts color tones and brightens whites. And of course, it has a bleach alternative. It's biodegradable and no phosphates. Now, I rarely use this. I did when the girls were young and working in barns and riding every day and everything for their clothes, but I don't hardly need to do it now. But I keep it on hand for something, for an important thing. It's kind of like my laundry medicine cabinet. And because what we have is a little combination, what we call Soak the Impossible. And what you do is you put a good amount, maybe like you put a good amount of laundry and Nature Bright into a bin, those little basins, and fill it up with water, and whatever garment or tablecloth or something you figure is ruined. You washed it, you dried it, the stain's still there. Oh my gosh, I really love this. Baby clothes, awesome. You know how formula stains, awesome for this. You soak them in there for whatever, 3 to 7 days. It doesn't matter. Take it out, and guess what? The stains are gone. I mean, very, very rarely does it not work. So I keep it around for Soak the Impossible because these old folks still get stained clothes, right? But I want to show you a little demonstration to give you an idea of how the enzymes eat stains on your clothes, okay? So here I have a very little glass of water, just plain water, okay? And I have some tincture of iodine, which would be very stainy. We actually do this demonstration with cotton handkerchiefs too, but that's like a real mess around the computer, so I'm not doing it. This is scary enough for me around the computer. So you can't see this. I can do it here. I'm gonna put, it's supposed to be 5 drops and it doesn't drop out. So 2, 3, 4 of the tincture of iodine. And I'm gonna, so I've stained my water, right? And then I have Nature Bright in this nifty little container. And I'm going to take a pinch, put it in, take my toothpick again, stir it around like it's in the washing machine, and all the stain is totally gone. Totally gone. That's what it does for our clothes. Safe. It's not going to put holes in the clothes like bleach does or ruin something else that's in there. This is what it does. The enzymes eat away the stains. It's one of my favorite cleaning products. Well, they're all equal. They're all the high priority for me. So there we go. Beck, what are you going to share with us now?
Well, I am going to talk about, again, the basic H2 that Karen shared with you earlier. And, but we're going to do it on my mirror here. We got my mirror. And because I am a girly girl, I love to write messages to my guy. So we're going to do that real quick with my little lipstick here. Little heart there. Okay, there we go. So I'm writing a little message to Mr. Kai, and I'm going to take the basic H. So here's our water dilution, or it is diluted in water, but it's for windows. And we're going to squirt it on there real quick. I've got my little paper towel, and we're really just proving today that these non-toxic cleaners, non-chemical cleaners can do exactly what the chemical cleaners can do, the Windex. So Windex has a ingredient in it that is considered an asthmagen, which is a fun word, but it actually causes asthma in adults. So, oh, look, you can see, that's weird. You can see my computer screen. There you go. Looking down the mirror. So it actually does clean that mirror right off. And that's what we're proving today, is that these products are safe for the environment, and they still do the things that all these other products can do that we're used to having this chemical reaction to. And the best thing about it is that Not only are they non-toxic, but they also are odor-free. So it's kind of funny when you walk into a Shaklee home, you don't smell the cleaners. And if I'm walking through the neighborhood and I can smell the dryer sheets, I'm like, ugh, I can't even walk down the grocery store aisle. I've used these products since I was a kid because my mom was a Shaklee person. And so she, had us always with the Shaklee products since we were little. So I literally lived in a home that was chemical free my entire life, which I'm super excited for. So today we have our Get Clean Starter Kit that we'd love to talk to you about real quick. And this Get Clean Starter Kit includes everything that you'd need to totally switch over your home and actually make a positive impact on the environment. Not only are these cleaning products going to do what we say that they're going to do, they're going to actually improve the environment around you, which is fascinating. Your one thing that you do today to change your cleaning products will actually make a positive impact for years down the road in the environment around you, in the groundwaters and everything in your yard. Everything that's connected to your house will actually get healthier, which is amazing. So not only are we starting our first day of spring and spring cleaning's coming around the corner, we're not only cleaning our houses, we're cleaning the environment around us, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing that we can give. Now, the Get Clean Starter Kit includes your laundry, your fabric softener, your dryer sheets, your Nature Bright, your Basic H, our disinfectant, which works better than Lysol. Again, works better than Lysol, and it's plant derivative, which means it's good for you and the environment. You're not putting toxins in your home and you're killing all that bacteria. Same that Lysol does for you. It includes the dishwasher detergent, which has no phosphates or nitrates, which means you're not filling up the groundwaters with too many phosphates and nitrates and creating eutrophication and algae overgrowth. We have the hand wash dish soap, and it also comes with the spray bottles that we've used here today. So you can go ahead and set up your Basic H in those 3 most common uses for Basic H. When you purchase the Get Clean Starter Kit, you're saving 108 pounds of packaging from waste from landfills. Why? Because this 16-ounce bottle of Basic H is going to make almost 4,000 bottles of Windex. What Shaklee's not selling you the water. They're selling you the concentrate, and you add the water. And that saves so many in packaging and keeps that plastic out of our oceans that we definitely don't want in our oceans for sure. And it also eliminates 248 pounds of greenhouse gas from escaping into the air. That's a huge impact that you're making on the environment. And like my mom said, it's economical. All these products, if I was to go and purchase what at the grocery store, what all these products break down to, it would cost me over $3,400. It's only $99 if you're a Shaklee member. If you're not a Shaklee member, it's $115, but I highly recommend the membership so you can always get that 15 to 20% off all your products for life. But that's what we're offering you today. It's a great thing. Now, the one product that is not included in the Get Clean Starter Kit is the Scour Off that Karen talked about. And like Karen said, we have a great offer for you today. If you go ahead and purchase the Get Clean Starter Kit because of this video today, which is the first day of spring, March 20th, 2018, we're going to go ahead and mail this to you in addition. So this product, like she said, it's ground cherry pits and it's super safe. You can use it anywhere that you would use Comet Cleaner. So all your bathroom drains, your sink drains that kind of get that little nast on them, your faucets and all those things, your glass oven tops, all of that. This is going to clean that right up. It smells like kind of like bubble gum, honestly. So you have just a real easy way, and that'll be free to you today if you go ahead and order because of this video. And that is a $20 value right there for you. So we're really excited, and I really hope that you join us on this mission to create a cleaner world and a better environment for us and for our children's children. And today is an exciting day for me. Not only is the first day of spring, it's my due date. So everybody go ahead, cross your fingers, and hope this baby comes pretty quick because I'm ready. But not only that, I'm ready for that. I know that this child's going to be able to crawl around the floor when he's able to, and I won't have to worry about any toxins in the carpet cleaners or Windex in the air and stuff like that. So I just really wanted to share that with you, and I hope you all have an absolute wonderful first day of spring, and join us and love your life in 2018 and create a better, cleaner world for all of us.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye. We'll see you later.
All righty. Thank you.